No doubt, the internet has made life easier. However, if you're in Canada, there are 5 life-changing websites you need to have at your fingertips if you must enjoy ease. These useful websites will make your life easier, save you money, and bring mind-blowing opportunities and offers right to your bedroom. Hello, internet enthusiasts, and welcome to your #1 YouTube channel, Canada Migrates. This episode promises to be enlightening and educating as we'll be looking at the top 5 must-know Canadian websites. Before you join us in discovering the internet gems in Canada, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be alerted whenever we upload a video. Get your notepad ready and let's delve right into this exciting digital adventure. 1. Service Canada. www.servicecanada.gc.ca. If you're in search of anything government related or you want to access essential federal services ranging from employment insurance and pensions to social assistance and renew your passport, or you need reliable info about immigration and citizenship, take note of Service Canada, a super helpful government portal. 2. Kijiji. www.kijiji.ca. It may interest you to know that Kijiji is Canada's biggest online classified platform. It is your go-to place for buying, selling, renting, or finding almost anything you can think of. The most interesting aspect of it for sellers is that you can post an ad at no cost. Again, you don't need a guide to navigate through its numerous categories as it has a user-friendly interface. 3. Red Flag Deals. www.redflagdeals.com. If you are a frugal shopper like me, welcome to Red Flag Deals, where we hunt for the best deals, discounts, and promotions from the best retailers. What exactly do you need to buy? Feel free to browse through the various categories, locations, and their fantastic collections. Join the ultimate Canadian hub and never miss out on a fabulous deal again. 4. Indeed. www.indeed.ca. All job seekers, get in here. Indeed was made just for you. The premier job hunting site in Canada offers several listings across various industries, thereby enabling you to research companies and read real employee reviews to find the perfect match for your career ambitions. All you need to do now is to get your resume ready and upload it. Apply for jobs with a single click, and most importantly, set up alerts to stay ahead of the game. 5. Weather Network. www.theweathernetwork.com is a site that provides you with reliable weather information. It's safe to refer to it as life-saving because it alerts you of severe weather conditions, provides you with accurate forecasts, and even weather-related news. With this website, you can swiftly plan your days with confidence. And there you have it, guys. Those are the top 5 life-changing Canadian websites that you absolutely need in your life. Are there other must-know Canadian websites? Please share them with us in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the subscribe button below and the bell icon to be notified anytime we publish an amazing content just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.